Hey, welcome back to FM Review. I'm your host, Freddie Robinson. And in today's video, I'll be going over the
LG Rebel 3 LTE, model LG L158VL.
Now I will quickly assemble the phone and let you see what it looks like going through the startup wizard. And first I'll just place the battery inside of the compartment. On the back it's a nice neat connection. You do have your area for your SIM card as well as your SD memory card if you wanted to add additional memory to it. I'm assuming this is going to be a power button. And I'm going to go ahead and place the cover over the back. Now once fully assembled, you can see how thin and low profile this phone is before it gets the added bulk of a protective case. Now I'll just go ahead through the setup wizard, mobile network and Wi-Fi. I'll go ahead and set that up and I'll see you in a few minutes. I have disabled the mobile network and it's scanning for Wi-Fi connectivity and it's picking up several different connections. I will go ahead and connect to my home network and go to the next step. Once it has connected, I'll go on to the next step. And here you can set your phone up, keep your apps and data from a previous connection if you wanted to log into your Google account. If not, you can do a fresh setup and go about it that way. And now you can see what the default background of the phone looks like, as well as the installed apps, and I guess a little bit of whatever Android 7.0 looks like. Swipe to see some secondary apps and programs. Looks like you just have 2 pages you can swipe back and forth with. And now the final step is just to call and get this activated through Straight Talk and start using it. And now I will go over the features and specs of this phone. And now let's take a closer look at this phone. You can see that it does have a highly reflective surface on the front. It does have your camera up top. And on the side you have a rocker panel button for volume. On the bottom you have your 3.5mm audio connection as well as your USB charging cable. On the back you have your camera, your flash, as well as your power button and an external speaker. And here's a side-by-side comparison of a couple other phones that I own. One being the LV K10 and the other one is the Hyundai, I forget the model number, but they're all in the 5-inch range, whereas the K10, which is my previous phone, has the larger either 5.3 or 5.5 inch screen. And I don't really see a whole lot of size difference between the two models. So it's actually going to be an easy transition from one phone to another. You do have the ability to double tap the screen and wake it up or kind of turn it on in a sense. So I do like that feature that Android has on its phone. A little bit of a backstory, what led me to this point is I just got back from a week-long trip in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and I was having issues sending text messages at that area. So I went by the store, the Walmart store there, and they were saying that everything is working fine with the signal, the connection. And over the course of the past 2.5 years that I've had this phone, it slowly started to just lose its ability to hold a charge. So that, paired with this bad signal service, is what led me to buy this. Now, it's not a very expensive phone. It was $49, $52 with taxes and all, and I think that it's going to be a pretty decent investment because it's an up-to-date phone as far as all the features that I need. The camera is a 5 megapixel for recording and taking pictures. It does have the ability to watch videos through YouTube and all the other video streaming apps. It has a 5-inch screen, and it's just a comfortable size in my hand. So anyone looking to get a new phone or upgrade from an existing phone should look into this. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to get more awesome FM reviews coming your way.
3, 2, 1. Action.
So anyone looking to get a new phone and upgrade a phone. So anyone who's looking to get a new phone or to upgrade to an existing, dang, I can't say nothing. So anyone looking to get a new phone or upgrade from an existing phone would be very good to choose this because of the features that it offers and the price that you get. Take 15. So anyone looking for a new phone or upgrading from an existing phone should look into this because with the features that it has and the price that it comes, all right.